is a big shame, a big blow on the citizens of Benue State. Can you imagine? Under the rain, just see president they come now, carry people, children come out, make they come start the wave, they sing national anthem. Can you imagine the level of atrocities these people are committing? But people came out to protest for the buy where they buy 200 and something people now they pursue them, make they go inside. Now president they come out now, they bring out people, children, make they come stand under that rain. Look at how, oh my God, anything you are doing in this life, try and hustle. So they no go carry your picking, come out for some people we know water. This is just one of the video. I know we won't show plenty clips. May no be like say I pack and plenty. If you see the one we say they stand for major roads, the students like line them up. Almost all the government schools brought them out of their schools under the rain. It's so shameful to the Benue State government. This is a shame to you people. Share this video. Maybe people see what they use their children they do for Benue State. Comment, like, these people, they don't bite. Very soon, the one where they know fish shop, they go bite them.